Hello friends. Buckle up because we're about to embark on a fantastic journey through time to discover the incredible world of dinosaurs. Imagine a time long, long ago when Earth was a wild and mysterious place filled with creatures that roared, stomped, and soared. We're going to learn how these amazing creatures came into existence, the different types of dinosaurs, and what happened to them in the end. Once upon a time, about 230 million years ago, Earth looked very different. There were no smartphones, no cars, and definitely no chocolate chip cookies. I know it's hard to believe. But there was something extraordinary happening, the birth of dinosaurs. They hatched from eggs, just like birds do today. These baby dinosaurs were super tiny, but they grew up to be gigantic and awe-inspiring. Dinosaurs came in all sorts of shapes and sizes, just like the different ice cream flavors at your favorite ice cream parlor. Some were as small as chickens, while others were as big as school buses. We had the long-necked Brachiosaurus, the spiky Stegosaurus, and the ferocious T-Rex, who had tiny little arms but a huge appetite for adventure. Each dinosaur had its own unique features and abilities. Dinosaurs had their own dinner preferences too. Some were vegetarians, munching on leaves and plants, while others were carnivores, hunting for tasty prey. Imagine a dinosaur picnic with Triceratops enjoying salad while velociraptors went on a meaty treasure hunt. It's a dinosaur food festival. Dinosaurs didn't just walk on land, some of them flew through the skies. Pterosaurs were like the superhero birds of the dinosaur world. They had wings made of skin and bone and soared above the ground, hunting for fish and insects. Can you imagine riding on the back of a friendly pterosaur? Dinosaurs lived all around the world, from hot deserts to lush forests and even near oceans. They made their homes in caves, underground tunnels, and nests made of leaves and twigs. It's like they were the world's first real estate experts. Now here comes the most mysterious part of our dinosaur story, the extinction. Something really big happened around 65 million years ago, and all the dinosaurs disappeared. Some scientists think it was a huge asteroid that crashed into Earth, causing massive fires and a long dark winter. Others believe it might have been a combination of things, like volcanoes and climate change. Whatever caused it, the age of dinosaurs came to an end. But guess what? Birds, those feathered friends we see today, are the closest living relatives of dinosaurs. So, in a way, dinosaurs are still with us. They just wear feathers now instead of scales. Even though we can't see dinosaurs in the wild anymore, they left us a fantastic gift, fossils. Fossils are like secret time capsules that help scientists learn about dinosaurs. We find these ancient treasures buried deep in the ground, and they're like puzzle pieces that help us imagine what dinosaurs were really like. Dinosaurs continue to surprise us with new discoveries all the time. Imagine paleontologists, dinosaur detectives, digging in the dirt, finding bones, and piecing together the past. They're like Sherlock Holmes, but with magnifying glasses and tiny brushes. One of the earliest and most beloved portrayals of dinosaurs in media is the Flintstones. This animated television series takes us back to the Stone Age, where dinosaurs are used as household appliances and even as vehicles. Imagine having a friendly dinosaur as your lawnmower or a pet. Now that's a unique twist on daily life. Moving into the realm of movies, Jurassic Park deserves a special mention. This iconic film brought dinosaurs to life like never before, using cutting-edge special effects to make the T-Rex, velociraptors, and other prehistoric creatures seem incredibly real. The heart-pounding adventures of humans trying to coexist with these resurrected giants have thrilled audiences worldwide. The film's success spawned several sequels, further cementing dinosaurs as box office superstars. Dinosaurs have also been featured in numerous documentaries that provide a sneak peek into their fascinating world. Shows like Walking with Dinosaurs and Planet Dinosaur combine science with breathtaking CGI to reconstruct the lives of these ancient creatures. These documentaries not only entertain but also educate, offering valuable insights into how dinosaurs lived, hunted, and survived in their prime. Video games have also welcomed dinosaurs into their virtual realms. In games like ARK, Survival Evolved and Jurassic World Evolution, players can tame, breed, and even battle with dinosaurs. These games offer an interactive experience that allows players to build their own prehistoric worlds or embark on thrilling adventures in a world filled with dinosaurs. For those who prefer a more literary escape, there is no shortage of dinosaur-themed books. From children's picture books that introduce the youngest readers to the world of dinosaurs to novels, literature provides a lot of dinosaur-related content for all ages. Dinosaurs have even made their mark in music. There are catchy songs like We Are the Dinosaurs by Laurie Berkner and Dinosaur Stomp by Mother Goose Club that make learning about these ancient creatures incredibly fun. These songs often include amusing lyrics and dance moves that allow children to get up and groove to the beat. Dinosaurs have become a timeless and versatile part of our entertainment culture. They continue to stomp, soar, and swim their way into our hearts through television, film, documentaries, video games, books, and even music. Here's a cool tidbit: some dinosaurs had feathers. Yes, you heard it right. They were like prehistoric birds. And did you know that some dinosaurs could run faster than a race car? Imagine a T-Rex in a race. That would be a sight to see. Dinosaurs may be gone, but they've left an incredible legacy. They inspire us to explore, ask questions, and imagine worlds beyond our own. They remind us that our planet is full of wonder and mystery, waiting for us to discover. You can become a dinosaur expert too. You can read books, visit museums, and even dig in your own backyard, with adult supervision, of course. Who knows, you might discover the next big secret. So there you have it, the amazing tale of dinosaurs, Earth's ancient giants. Their story is like a never-ending adventure, and even though they're no longer here, their legacy lives on in our hearts and imaginations. Keep exploring, keep learning, and who knows what incredible discoveries you'll make next. So, my little dinosaur enthusiast, remember to always keep your curiosity alive, just like the dinosaurs did. Who knows what secrets the past holds, waiting for someone like you to uncover. Happy dinosaur hunting! If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like, subscribe buttons and the notification bell so you can join the Simplify squad. Thanks for watching.